Hello! So I find myself helping out one of our customers here with this garage butcher block. It's really rough. It's been used for several decades, heavily, and we're doing a little sanding job. I wanted to share it with you. It's pretty interesting. This particular block is 1 3/4 inch thick, and it's been used so much and so heavily that it's got deep gouges and rough scratches in there. So we're going to use this belt sander and give it a little once over. Wow, you can see that sander removes a lot of material quickly. Well, if you wonder just how much, I can show you. Probably 1/100th of an inch right there. It's looking good. A little more of this and we'll finish with a smaller sander. Okay, now we're switching to a small vibrating sander with a medium sandpaper. Little finishing work here. All right, it's looking good. Some of that natural beauty in the maples coming back. I like it. And there's a lot more you can do here, of course. One of the next steps, of course, is a little bit of this oil treatment is a good idea. Definitely going to oil this block. Mystery oil. You can score this at the sponsor. You just put a little bit on like this. This will restore the butcher block to its original beauty. Wow. Looks really nice. And the wood sucking it up. This block has not been oiled in a long time. So you can see it's pretty cool looking. I kind of like the character, all the scratches. However, save yourself all that work and time. Contact the sponsor. This is maple with a food-safe Varnique finish. This is maple with the mineral oil finish. So this one should be oiled monthly. Put a little oil on there right now. This one is maintenance-free. You can see the difference between this oil finish and this oil finish. The main difference is several decades of use versus brand new. Okay? This has been cut on, chopped on, sliced and diced. Butchers have used tons of different knives on this block over many decades, and it's still looking good. Of course, the brand new is nice too. So, yeah. Visit your sponsor. Hit them up, and they give you quotes, free shipping, and discounts as well. Yeah. I'll be back with more great videos to share with you. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. My standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So You notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight. Oh, whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. Yeah, we gotta have that. A couple more things I wanted to go over. And it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Oh, whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now.